Does anyone else have chiclophobia? The irrational fear that when you crack an egg...
Hey, come on boy, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Yay!
Tucker, do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
We miss her too.
Okay, no one's in trouble. I just want to know who shit on the fucking couch.
Wasn't me.
Lulu, bring the yellow ball. Yeah!
The Ebola virus is found in dog fluid.
Shit.
Bye.
So I woke up with all these cuts on my hand. Gee, I wonder who would do that. Who would be so mean and so cool? Ow!
Can we just talk?
Oh hell no!
I love you.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Mom, Dad, I'm going in.
High five, Peaches. Come on, high five me. High five me. Come on, you can do it.
Switch. Try not to squeak. Oh, you ruined it.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Steer it up, little darling.
The